All right, we're gonna talk about booking your own travel. You're a travel agent versus non-travel agent. I'm gonna just go in a little depth on this. So, for everybody in the comments, I'm seeing it says makes sense, but I wanted to go even more in deeper for those who it may not still make sense to. It may not register yet. It just makes sense. So let's break this down. So, booking your own travel agent versus non-travel agent. The same amount of work goes into booking a trip for yourself, whether you are a travel agent or not. So wouldn't it make sense to reward yourself financially? Earn commissions on your own trips and write them off. Okay, say this for example. Let's say that you going on a 7 day Caribbean cruise. Okay, so here's the price of the trip right here: $2,900, $2,948. Okay, almost $3,000. Okay, so you're a non-travel agent. Okay, you're gonna go on your cruise. You're gonna pay that and go on your trip on your cruise. Okay, so let's see, total of the trip $3,614.62. Now, here's where it gets interesting. This is included in the price anyway. Okay, I'm just being honest. This is included in the price anyway. Whether you're a travel agent or a non-travel agent, it don't matter. It's included in the price anyway. So if you're a non-travel agent, look how much money you earn from your own trip. Look at it. Nothing. I mean, true enough, you're gonna go on a 7 day Caribbean cruise, you're gonna have fun, you're not even gonna think about it. You're like, oh man, I just, I had a good time. But guess what? You know, if you were an agent, look at this. You'll get $442.20 back. Okay. You're paying the 36 anyway. But wouldn't it be nice to get almost 500 of that back? Just because, hey, I'm an agent. That's it. I signed up. That's it. That's simple. And the good thing about partnering with a host agency, what we are affiliated with, guys, you become certified immediately. You don't have to wait. You share that whole certification tonight. Okay. So if you join tonight, you can book, travel, and earn commission tonight. Okay. True enough, we have training, ongoing training, but you can earn while you learn. So guys, start tonight, book travel tonight. Okay, you certified tonight. So I hope I make that clear. Okay. So guys, do yourself a favor, get started today. So I know some of y'all be probably thinking, why didn't I listen sooner? It just makes sense. So I just wanted to go in depth and break that down. Okay.